Hi guys, we are Smart Trading Indicators. I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna teach you how to create an account on TradingView from zero and totally free. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to google.com. On the search, we're gonna type TradingView. We go there, and then you're gonna click on the first link. Just make sure that it's www.tradingview.com. So we go there. Here we are. We're gonna click on Get Started, and we're gonna find plans where you can pay, but we're gonna do it for free, as I said. So we're going here where the zero is, and we click on Get Started, and then we're gonna sign up. There are many ways to do it. You can do it through Facebook, Twitter, email, but I'm gonna do it with Google directly because I am already logged in on my browser. So I'm gonna click here, and there I'm gonna find my Gmail. And what's next is that you're going to create your username. This is just an example for us. We're gonna leave you the link below of the official one. I'm gonna receive marketing. I already read all the terms, and then we press next. And that's it. We already have our account, as you can see. If you want to have a look, for example, of the chart of BTC USD, you're gonna click on it. It's really simple. So here it is. Then you're gonna personalize your chart. You can adjust the image as you want. I like, for example, the dark mode. I think it's really cool. And that's it. So if you have any question, just let us know. We're gonna be here for you. Congratulations, you did the first step on creating the TradingView account. See you soon, guys.